Welcome to the new video. It's currently raining. You can feel it. Very misty rain, but it's raining. Didn't have a chance of snow last night. No precipitation. So instead we get rain. Everyone's favorite in the middle of winter. But yeah. This is a quick update on that. Later on today. I was contemplating even doing this, but nonetheless I am. Just this section here from the weather network. It's half decent, plenty of snow. 2 to 4 there, 17th, close to 5 on the 18th, 2 1 to 3 on the 19th. Yeah, another few chances here and there. But yeah. Last night, nothing. Got cold enough for snow, but nothing. On that note, I'll see you guys maybe later on today, if not tomorrow. Alright, forecast update for the morning, and maybe the fucking clip of the day, depending on how things go. 70% chance of showers today, and then 30% chance of showers early this evening. Change to a 70% chance of showers and flurries overnight. Snow levels 800 below the valley bottom overnight. And then Wednesday night, we got 6% chance of flurries. Thursday, 6% chance of flurries or rain showers. Hold it there for a little while. Scroll it down right about now. And then we got Sunday with a 30% chance of flurries or rain showers. Sunday night, a 40% chance of showers or flurries. And then Monday, a 6% chance of flurries or rain showers. Nice. And on that note, I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. So it's been raining pretty much all day. Well, raining pretty much most of that morning and afternoon. And see up north there. No, it's not going to impact us, but juicy lines crawling down there. We'll see where it's at like 11 o'clock. That's when I plan to go to bed here. Feeling a bit off, but not enough to say I'm sick. I really fucking hope I'm not. But anyways, I'll see you guys a little bit later on. After I do this, because the lighting is so horrible. Here is the radar update for the night to finish it off. I'm going to go to bed here. Blew through Revelstoke. Yeah. On that note, I will see you guys in the morning. Forecast update for the day here. Good morning. It's technically morning. My clock's off here. Like 7 minutes. 40% chance of showers all day Saturday. 30% chance of showers Sunday. Changes to a 40% chance of flurries Sunday night. And then a 6% chance of flurries or showers Monday. And then a 30% chance of flurries Monday night, continuing into Tuesday. Jesus. Yeah. Overall, not too shabby. No longer very dry, but again, these are all very low probability precipitation days, so not really overly buying it. And then we got this, again, very low probability, not really buying much of this will even happen in the first place. I love Friday there. Chance of flurries both periods of the day, but it's a close chance trace of a millimeter of rain. Nice. Scroll it down. It's a little better there, 1 to 3 centimeters on the 19th, 21st, and 22nd. All 6% chances from the 19th onward, but nonetheless, yeah. On that note, I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Ew, wow, okay. Yeah. Safe to say it's winter. Winter is pretty much just barely holding on at this point. Oh, fuck. This is quite something. It's 8 degrees. Everything's melting profusively. 3 times. Nice little breeze. It's like a pretty much like pristine March-like day. Oh. Hell. Excuse me as I see a package here. Go. A little more annoying now, but I guess we'll just do that. Yeah, it is nice out here. I don't even know why I'm wearing pants. It's pushing shorts weather. 8 degrees, and only because the sun is not a good enough excuse yet. It was like 12 degrees in the sun and all that, maybe, but then the breeze still is not to my liking. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. It's disgusting as fuck. Yeah. I think it's safe to say, done with winter for the most part. A few snow days here and there maybe, but otherwise, it's pretty much over with. On that note, I'll see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. I don't get it. It was not supposed to snow last night. And obviously, it fucking didn't. And I checked the radar. I checked the past conditions. Fucking Christ. There we go. We got easily like 2 centimeters at least in a matter of a few hours. Which again, if we average it, it's not over a centimeter, but close fucking enough. But now it's like 1 degree. Well, no, it's 3 degrees here, but no, it's about 1-2 degrees here. That's accurate. That's always overestimated. But 1-2 degrees, and you can see it's snowed, and that's fucking about all I can say. You can see it precipitating right now. It's a very fucking... I can't step beyond this, because otherwise I get my feet soaked. Yeah, we're settling with about 2 centimeters. I'll show you guys. I'll go about roughly 2.5. We'll go an inch. I'm still fucking pissed. This is not. I've been feeling a little under the weather, and I've just been trying to get as much sleep as possible. Considering I stayed up to like 3 a.m. last night. So, but the expectation was it wasn't supposed to do shit. It was a chance, 60%. fucking my ass. And then I look at the radar now, it's like fucking bullshit. And even looking at the models from yesterday, it's like fucking bull fucking shit. Literally fucking how many fucking things got this wrong? But again, it's very likely precipitating some sort of like rain, sleet, snow. I don't fucking know because it's so light. Precipitation. I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys later on. Fuck me. I'm pissed because I didn't even forecast any of this either. The coast, it's rain and wind. I just did that. I just forecasted that. I'm happy. It's the interior I'm pissed off about. The interior wasn't supposed to be this fucking annoying. I was going to skip it either way. That's the shitty part. Fuck. Anyways, fun times. Here's the radar. We're actually going to do this. So there we go. I believe that's what produced our snow. If not, I'm not 100% sure. But it's been just doing that for the last how fucking long, and it's pissing me the fuck off. But I believe this is what produced the snow. 10 a.m. No. What was it? No, because I woke up at 12 something. We'll do one more loop here. But seriously, you're fucking kidding me. Yeah, just produce fucking... So there's that. I'm gonna turn back up the lighting here. Get rid of that since I showed it. Do the weather now. We could do the forecast here. This is what they have. Nice. It's not a lot of precip, but they have plenty of precip potential. Again, precip potential. So 90% chance that it's either going to be 2 to 4 centimeters of snow that we end up with, or absolutely nothing. Fucking seriously. So I scroll down. This is the only reason why I'm still showing it. This. No precip possible, no snow possible, but chances nonetheless. How that makes any logical sense, I don't know. Because if there's a chance of flurries, there's a chance of precipitation, and then there's a chance of accumulation. Trace. But no. The logic behind it, I have no fucking clue. Anyways. There's that, and then I said 10 a.m. No, yeah, and it's all stopped. So this is what was the case here. Between 5 and 8 a.m. 1, 2, 3 hours. We ended up with undoubtedly at least an inch of snow. You can actually look at the visibility and see that for yourself there. When was it heaviest? Like, this was definitely when it was snow. So I guess that's what I'm saying. Like, this is, I'm including the precipitation and the snow conversation here. But anyways, here we go. Starting chord 4. I wish there was a way I could slow this down. There it is, right there. Oh, actually, no. Look at that right there. It starts around 4:30. So it starts around, like, just around 3:45. So not 5. Keep going. It doesn't look super heavy, but it looks like it's just fucking steady, very steady snow. Because it goes until, it looks like till about like 7 o'clock. Yeah, about 7:30, give or take. Like, that's what I'm going to be suggesting, probably like 2 centimeters, 2.5, roughly 2.5 centimeters, considering what's still left over, and looking at the piles. But nonetheless, let's get a gauge here. So it started snowing, so accumulating around quarter after 4. Stopped right around like 7:30. We're gonna go we'll go around 7:30. So 3 hours and 15 minutes roughly. 3.5 hours. Let's settle with 3.5 hours. So yeah, it was quite long. No, yeah, we'll settle with 3.5 hours. 2.5 centimeters, that's still under centimeter snowfall rates, but it probably was a brief couple hours where it was really going. But I have to say, personally, when this was all happening, I would have been asleep either way. I was not going to be up at this time either way. Am I still fucking would be annoyed? Fuck yeah. But the pure fact that this even fucking happened is what's pissing me off. But then it's all melted. I didn't even show the melting period. It just all fucking... Like, look at how it was just all melting even as the fucking snow was done. Just look at it go. By fucking 10:30, it's pretty much all gone. So that's why I'm saying it's probably always about, like, it couldn't have been much more than an inch. Maybe about 2 centimeters. It was definitely between 2 to 3 centimeters. It couldn't have been more if it melted that fucking quickly. I'm sorry. If it melted that quickly, there's no way in hell it was much more than 2-3 centimeters. Either way, on that note, I'll see you guys later on today. Forecast updates. The weather now here. This section is pretty much box to show. It's pointless. Kind of just for timeline. Yeah. 13th there, but then scroll down. Winter may see a return of proper winter weather here. 1 to 3 on the 18th, 1 to 3 on the 21st, 5 to 10 on the 22nd and 23rd. Oh, 60% though. But yeah, on that note, I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Yeah. Forecast update for today. Yeah. So we got 70% chance of showers or flurries, changing to a 30% chance of showers near noon. Snow levels rising to 1,500 meters in the afternoon. Winds becoming south 30, gusting to 50 late in the morning. And then a 40% chance of showers Saturday night and 60% chance of showers Monday. Scroll down. Then we got some chances of flurries there. 30% chance Wednesday night through till Friday. And then the weather network. This section here. Focus, you toad. Got that, and then all that, yeah. But yeah, on that note, I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Yeah. Forecast update, but of course, never fails. Slept through more snow. It would take 0.5 centimeter based off the ground. I'm actually going to drop it to 1/4 looking at it now. Nonetheless. Find the Canada section here. Gusty today and tomorrow. Otherwise, pretty dry. Plenty of snow. On that note, I'll see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Probably later on today. Fucking camera. Jesus Christ. Getting some really interesting stuff here. It's like a sleet, heavy sleet, snow mix. Like, and it's not tiny either. Holy smokes. God damn. It's like purely sleet, but I can see some lighter shit that falls. Like, there's a few bits that fall that are very light looking. Tells me this is at least a little bit of snow mixed in this. I typically want to work Sundays, but I guess these are one of the days that, well, I don't mind not working. Wow. Very persistent sleet here, Jesus. I don't know how long this was going on beforehand. Jesus. 5 degrees right now. It's been off probably like 4 some degrees right now. So it's not completely unorthodox, but jeez, persistency of this, my God. Went ahead in there with my goalie. Interesting shit. First little convective event of the year here. It looked a little better earlier with the sun out, but nonetheless, yeah. I'll give you guys a radar and forecast update in just a moment here. Yeah. This has been the story this afternoon. for a bit of convection here. Ooh, really going a bit there. Jeez. It's fucking making noises. I don't know what the hell. No lightning. Well, you get the gist of it. And then this is the weather now here. Yeah, plenty of snow chances here. 1 to 3 on the 24th, 5 to 10 on the 26th, and another 1 to 3 on the 27th. Yeah. On that note, I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Yeah. Fun times. Here's the very late forecast update for today. There was grapple in the morning on the ground. I don't know when the fuck that was from, but there was nothing on my car, and I got home at 3 a.m., so it was at some point in the evening when I was gone out for the night, so not pissed off, but yeah. Wasn't pissed off, but at the same time I have to get used to it. That's why I was a little pissed off, but I have to get used to it. Can't be seeing like every single little tiny fucking weather event. And yeah, this is what the weather I was going for. Yeah, it gets fucking cold, but let's be real here. This is probably gonna be like halved by fucking, at least a third warmer by the fucking 7 day, or within 5 day, the 5 day. Fucking seriously. But on that note, I'll see you guys tomorrow at some point. Forecast update for today. For today. And it's gonna get very precipitate. Lots of chances of precip. 40% chance of showers all day Saturday, 60% chance on Sunday, 60% chance of showers or flurries Sunday night, 40% chance of showers Monday, 6% chance of showers or flurries Monday night, and then 6% chance of flurries or rain showers Tuesday. Yeah, not overly exciting, but it's plenty of it. The weather is a lot more. The weather now is a lot more like snow. With this 1 to 3 centimeters tomorrow, and then it says chances from there on, and then another 5 to 10 there for the 21st, and then you can see the Arctic air arrive from there. And then we scroll down from there. Really cold. And then snow chances kind of deplete from there. Or at least amounts anyways. 1 to 3 centimeters on the 28th. On that note, I will see you guys later on today. If not, tomorrow. Yeah. Fucking. I wish it would just stay in this nice. But nope. Forecast update for the day. Wow, lots of precip. Who fucking cares? Chances, I should say. Who the fuck cares? I certainly don't. Not today, anyways. Swear to go, fuck itself, fuck itself, fuck itself, fuck itself, fuck itself. The rest of it can go fuck itself, fuck itself, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck itself, fuck itself, fuck itself. Yeah. Because who fucking wants this bullshit? And then the weather network's all fucking less than that. Well, I guess I'm missing one day, so never mind. I'm skipping the 17th so that way I can at least show you guys most of the cold fucking shit that's gonna happen without needing to do a second fucking part to it. But yeah, on that fucking note, I guess I'll fucking see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Alright, forecast update for the day. 40% chance of flurries early this morning, that never happened. And then a 40% chance of flurries before morning tomorrow. Then a 40% chance of flurries in the morning, changing to a 40% chance of showers late in the morning and in the afternoon. 700 meters with a 7-degree fucking temperature, alright. And then 40% chance of flurries or showers Sunday. 40% chance of showers Sunday night. Hold it there for a while. Scroll it down. You got periods of rain for Monday. 70% chance of showers or flurries Monday night. 6% chance of flurries all day Tuesday with windy conditions. And then the Arctic air arrives from there. Yeah. And then we got the weather network. Close to 5 millimeters on the 20th. Close to 5 centimeters on the 21st. And then the Arctic air arrives from there. Hold it there for a while. Scroll down. There's plenty of chances of snow. It warms up from there though. The Arctic shit. Close to 2 to 4 centimeters on the 28th and March 1st. Yeah. On that note, I will see you guys later on. Today, if not tomorrow. Yeah. God, this weather's boring as shit. Forecast update for today. 40% chance of flurries, changing to a 40% chance of showers near noon. Yeah. So far, I see none of that. Tomorrow, 40% chance of flurries in the morning, then a 40% chance of showers in the afternoon. Sunday night, 40% chance of showers. Monday, periods of rain. Monday night, showers. Hold it there for a little while. Tuesday, with showers and flurries. Tuesday night, snow, and then Arctic air rise. Minus double-digit lows. And then the weather network, just this section here after this point dries up and temperatures moderate quite a bit. Close 5 millimeters of rain tomorrow, close 5 millimeters of rain on the 20th, 5 to 10 centimeters on the 21st, 2 to 4 centimeters on the 24th and 25th. It's quite active actually. Cold and snowy. After starting out warm and rainy. Well, warm-ish and rainy. On that note, I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Yeah. Forecast update for today. 6% chance of showers tonight. Yeah, it's been warm and gusty all day. Got up to nearly 10 degrees today. Yeah. And tomorrow, Monday, periods of rain. Snow level is 900 meters. Gusty, Monday night, periods of rain beginning late in the evening. Snow level is 1,300 meters. And then Tuesday, periods of rain or snow. Then Tuesday night, periods of snow. That's where the Arctic air begins. Begins its short-lived spout. Low of minus 15 on Thursday. Low of minus 10 on Friday night. With 30% chance of flurries. And the Weather Network. Yeah. 2 to 4 millimeters on the 20th. 2 to 4 centimeters on the 21st. And then another 1 to 3 there on the 25th. And then we got another 1 to 3 centimeters on the 28th. And yeah. After that point, kind of like dries up, sort of just moderates, really bleh weather. On that note, I'll see you guys tomorrow at some point. Forecast update for the day. Rained a little bit, 3 millimeters, nothing extravagant. Got periods of rain ending this afternoon, as so it's already done. And then we got periods of rain beginning again late this evening. Snow levels dropping 800 meters before morning. And then Tuesday we got rain changing to periods of snow near noon. Snow levels dropping the valley bottom near noon. And then Tuesday night we got periods of snow continuing into Wednesday. And that's a sign of the Arctic air arriving. Although a drop in the afternoon, we'll see. We'll see. Seems super cold, but a little bit of Arctic air. 6% chance for Saturday night into Sunday. And then the Weather Network. 2 to 4 centimeters for tomorrow. Otherwise, again, Wednesday through Friday. Arctic air. Short-lived Arctic air. Scroll down. Chances of snow here and there, close 5 centimeters there on March 6th. Otherwise, yeah, it stays pretty steady. Temperature wise. On that note, I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Oh, the breeze has been slow, hasn't been strong, but it's going to be. It's fucking 3 a.m. The winds are just starting to kick up right now, and I just remembered on time that there's a line of fucking convection. Holy fuck. Here it is. It's starting to rain. But I think it's gonna be more than that looking at the fucking skies right now. that, or the snow levels are just that low. It looks like it gives that look it's gonna snow, but it's gonna be elevated just above the surface with like grapple or some bullshit. Look at this. Like, I don't even know if you can see that, but it's like snowing down fucking there or whatever. Well, probably at the elevation it is at, yeah, probably. But because of how dry it is at the surface, it's gonna be probably nearly impossible to get any good precip. It's raining at the airport, but it's dribbling here, and they can call it light rain. And that's called light rain. I'll show you guys the radar later. Like, look at that. That's probably fucking snow. It's 7 degrees, but the dew point is right down to the fucking surface. There's the rain. The freezing dew point is right down to the surface. I think I was staying up all night anyways. It's the first time I've attempted this in a while. It's only because certain things making me busy, not just out just wanting to. Big things hitting off the shoulder of me, and I don't know if that's just like crinkling me. Yeah, it's just me down in my body. It says it's 7, but that breeze is fucking cold. Look at that. It's raining down there or whatever the fuck. Probably a couple meters up, snow. 100 meters. I got a feeling this is gonna be more than fucking rain. I'm gonna grab the light. Whenever we get shit like this, it's never just fucking rain. I don't want to switch it. It's just rain right now, that I can agree with. That's true. It's just rain right now. You hear that? Oh god, it's gonna get really heavy here. This is the frontal system moving through, so this is not necessarily going to give us our snow or any of that sort of shit, but snows are very low right now. But they'll drop them right back down to kind of where they were before the, what it was like about 4-some degrees. But look at this. I got a feeling we're going to either get really heavy something here in a second. It's starting to gust a bit again. Battery's dying. At least I'm at home. Just quickly run inside. It's just rain right now. I don't think that's gonna hold. Or it might be, who knows. Oh, fuck me. This is pissing rain. It sucks. It's just fucking pissing rain. I don't want to turn this light on because it'll give me away, but it's the only thing I can do. Yeah. I mean, it's dropping snow levels, but it's definitely not gonna give us anything more than rain. Should check what the conditions are at the fucking, it's just south of Vernon. It's probably fucking snow. The only reason why we're warm is because of microclimate bullshit. There was a little breeze and all that, so temperature stayed warm. It was only 2 degrees at the fucking Vernon airport. Well, it was 6 degrees or something at the fucking... Oh no, it was 7 degrees upon the arrival of this. It's probably dropped already a degree or something by now. Mix of diabetic cooling in the front pushing through. Oh, fuck you. It's definitely cold because my hands are fucking bare freezing, man. The one holding the camera. first got out here, it's warm, and then it's been real. I can definitely feel the cool down here. And to compare whatever precip we get here versus at the airport, it's a bit unfair because it's been going there a lot longer. It's going to be going on there a lot longer because the air need to moisten. Even this much of a difference makes a lot of it. But anyways, yeah, it's nice though. At least I didn't miss this. I mean, I probably would have made this out to be a lot more if I fucking fell asleep, but then again, I don't know. I probably would have just checked the frickin'. This is the one time that frickin' some shit moves through, and I expect it, and it's not fucking good. No. It's the first time that I don't expect something like this to move through. I'm awake for it, and then jack shit from it fucking happens. There's some lousy, gusty fucking winds. I don't even want to stay out here any fucking longer. Well, it's sounding like the drops are getting bigger. Bigger or thicker, one or the other. But seriously. Well, I'll give you guys a radar and all that shit. Maybe even the past conditions. See how those look. And then I'll call it till the morning. Depending on how this is going to progress here. It honestly feels like it's trying, but I don't think it's that cold yet. Like I said, it definitely seemed like it was getting down. That other shit was passing through. And it looks like whatever is passed through is passed through. And now we're kind of just sitting under steady rainfall, which I believe was what's supposed to be the case. There may be another round though. Okay, we'll keep an eye on it, but I'll give you guys a radar update and all that in a little bit. It's just gonna be rain. I think that's all it's gonna be. It's just gonna be dropping. It's kind of gonna give us a drop to the snow levels, and then later on today, this afternoon, it's gonna tank as the Arctic air arrives, and then that's when we get our snow. Chunky boy drops. Yeah.